welcome back to another episode of Triple Trouble Podcast. I am Amtul, this is Akbar, this is Ali. अगर अभी तक आपको हमारे नाम याद नहीं हुए तो फिर क्या ही कहना है,
देख ही क्यों रहे हैं?
हाँ देख ही क्यों रहे हैं, नहीं देख लें, फिर भी देख लें, कोई बात नहीं. आज हमारे साथ है एक बहुत ही टैलेंटेड वुमन. शी इज़ ए म्यूजिशियन, सॉन्ग राइटर, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, कंपोजर, एंड आई थिंक शी इज so talented. I've had the pleasure of working with her like back in like 2015, 16, and it's so amazing to say.
17. Broadway Bridges was 2017.
We've done two projects actually. So Natasha Humaira Ejaz, all the way from Islamabad. सिर्फ हमारी podcast के लिए वो आई हैं. नहीं, we're joking. She also has a show tonight. So
this was more important.
Yeah, I know. आप उससे podcast
You
के लिए आई
missed
ना
out
कराची.
comedian as well. Yeah, ex-comedian looking to make a return.
Ex wanting to return into comedy at some point.
मैंने
You should.
नताशा के साथ improv किया है.
Oh really? I
Yes,
didn't know
yes.
this.
No, even I didn't know
और
this.
हमने भूलबन में improv किया.
Oh,
Yeah, this
cool.
was
हमें किसी
And also actor, by the way. She's also acted. So yeah, so woman with multi faces.
मैं तो बड़ी खुश हूँ किसी ने मुझे वुमन कह दिया. Thanks. बड़े अरसे से गर्ल थी मैं. बहुत टाइम से.
What do you prefer वैसे, girl या
नहीं
woman?
अब वुमन का थोड़े
है
अरसे.
ना,
ना,
थोड़ा
लोगों को आदत
वो
दिला.
रोब आता है थोड़ा. I'm not a little girl anymore.
I'm woman.
No, I'm woman.
ये कराची आ
I'm
गई.
every woman.
आप कराची आ गई हैं तो आपको लेडीज चलाए जा रहे हैं. लेडीज में गर्ल भी कवर हो रहा है और वुमन भी कवर हो रहा
हाँ,
है.
ladies.
आंटी भी कवर हो रहा है. लेडीज आई हुई हैं.
Very nice. ये तो
ये भी
ये
सही
मुझे acceptable है.
हाँ,
ये
ladies
acceptable है. ठीक है, ladies.
Okay, so
अच्छा नहीं, आपकी origin story बताओ.
हाँ,
ओरिजिन
फिर
स्टोरी
we
ये है
can-
कि मैंने बहुत साल पहले दानिश अली और साद हारून और इन सब के साथ उस्मान खालिद भट्ट भी थे. इसमें हमने इस्लामाबाद में इम्प्रोव शुरू किया हुआ था. हमने लाइक इम्प्रोव बाइबल डाउनलोड किया था और पढ़ाई की थी बहुत सारी. फिर हमने ऑडिशन सॉर्ट ऑफ लोगों को ऑडिशन कराया. हमारी ट्रूप थी बहुत सालों तक.
नाम
फिर
क्या था उसका?
I actually don't remember. I
वो
don't
ज़रूरी
remember
नहीं
what
था.
we used to call ourselves. I have no idea what we used to call ourselves. But we used to do a lot of improv, and I think eventually I went to college. When I got back from college, by the time I came back, then Akbar and Shahzad. Who else was Ahmed?
शाह फहद, दानियाल.
ये
हाँ.
हाँ ये लोग कर रहे थे इम्प्रोव.
कराची में.
कराची में कर रहे थे लेकिन ट्रैवल कर रहे थे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ना. तो उस ज़माने में ये लोग इस्लामाबाद आए थे और एक इन्होंने शो किया था कुछ ख़ास में जो मैंने इनके साथ किया था. फिर इनके 2-3 इनको बुक होने शुरू हो गए शोज़. तो उन्होंने कहा नताशा को पकड़ते हैं. पकड़ी गई ताशा. फिर ताशा बूर बन गई इनके साथ. फिर मैं कराची भी आके इन लोगों के साथ प्रैक्टिस करती थी. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था. बट मैंने पॉज मार दिया बहुत सालों तक अपनी इम्प्रोव और कॉमेडी को. You know, it was too many hats.
makes sense.
I wear too many hats. Like even right now, I am running a label. I am running my own completely separate artist career. I do a lot of teaching. I travel a lot. I do a lot of gigs. I just felt like I was having a bit of a like identity crisis, to be very honest with you. And like there were things that were helping me make money. And there were things that were not helping me make money. Unfortunately, comedy was not one of the things that was helping me make money.
At some point you have to choose कि energy कहाँ डालनी है ना.
Yeah,
कभी
because
कभी
you've
you
got
feel
24
like
hours in a day, you've got 7 days in a week, you've got all the rest of your personal life happening all at the same time.
Yeah.
So I just had to like pick and choose at the time what was lucrative. At the time, what was lucrative was building the Natasha Humaira Ejaz brand. So I started doing a lot of film work, started doing a lot of scores, I started doing a lot of just compositions and collaborations just to make sure that like no matter what I do, at least I have this one passive income coming in. So now what's happened is that's really paid off. I released songs like 10 years ago and they're getting licensed now.
wow.
You know, so I'm glad I did that. Like I made that choice, but my comedian brothers were very sad at the time. Like he's not the only one. Like my Islamabad boys were also like, "Tum hame chhod ke chali gayi thi." और उन boys
You
से
chose music
you chose
over
music
comedy.
और comedy और
बेचारी कॉमेडी हमेशा पीछे ही रह जाती है.
बट समझते हैं ना हम सब दिहाड़ी का गेम है बॉस. दिहाड़ी
का
लगानी
game
है तो यहाँ से नहीं आ रही.
हाँ.
I have a very wholesome story with मैं निताशा को recently बता रहा था and I शो पे ही बताई मैंने. My first ever show in Islamabad was at Natasha. My first ever performance with at in Islamabad was
पहले सोच लें आप।
at Natasha's show.
One more time, from the start.
Complicated है ना थोड़ा. My first ever performance in Islamabad was at Natasha's show. और हुआ क्या था कि a day before her show मैंने और शहजाद ने कुछ खास पे F5 I think शो करना था and some political shit happened जिससे इस्लामाबाद बंद हो गया और ऊपर से हेलीकॉप्टर जा रहे हैं और ये सब. तो वी लाइक अब क्या करें, तो हम ट्रेल 5 पे जाके हाइक करने लगे अपने शोर क्लोथ्स में. बट देन नताशा हैड अ शो द नेक्स्ट डे एंड शी वाज काइंड इनफ टू लेट अस ओपन फॉर हर.
Nice.
So that was my first ever performance in
चलो
Islamabad.
you sacrificed your
Yeah.
show for a mediocre act.
हाँ, we also
I was going to
did
put it very differently.
नहीं मीडियोकर से भी बुरा था उस टाइम. क्या ही कॉमेडी आती
सही
थी.
था, ठीक था. सभी मीडियोकर था उस वक्त.
हाँ, everybody was starting off, I guess.
Everybody was starting off. मेरा भी क्या ही अमेजिंग शो होना था उस जमाने में.
What
This
year
is
was-
10 years
This
ago.
is
This
like 10, yeah.
2012.
12.
अच्छा,
So,
और
yeah,
13 years
much
ago.
longer, 13 years
Oh
ago.
wow. We met in
चलो it's good that
2015
आपका audience
for
they got to experience him क्योंकि वो कभी इतने लोग नहीं आते इनको देखने वैसे.
और इस्लामाबादी ऑडियंस तो वैसे भी
Yeah.
you know.
उस वक्त तो वाकई है.
चोरी स्टील कर लिया ऑडियंस आपका.
4-5 लोग भी आ जाते उस वक्त तो that was a big deal.
हाँ,
जिनमें से 2 free
30
है.
लोग बड़ी डील लगते थे. 30 लोग आ गए you know. ये टिकट खरीद के आए 30 people you know. But Natasha and I also go way back. We did Grease the musical in 2015.
Yeah.
2015. तो उसमें नताशा थी, रिज था ना. हाँ, she
yeah.
was like the main lead, one of the main leads, and then I was Jan in the supporting cast. And उसमें
She
भी
was my
नताशा
favorite.
Extra you mean.
इतनी भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं थी, प्लीज. ओके,
बिल्कुल भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं थी.
नहीं, I'm being humble, okay.
110%.
कितनी लाइनें थी आप?
बहुत ज्यादा लाइनें थी.
लाइनें
क्या
थी.
हो
We
गया
were
यार,
the
जब भी
5
हम humble
best
doesn't
friends
mean-
together.
हाँ.
Yeah, so we
इस
had a
एपिसोड
lot of-
में अली सर को पॉडकास्टर्स को जलील कर रहे हैं तो कुछ हम लेके आते
ये
हैं
अभी
वापस.
लेके आते
अभी
हैं.
वापस
तो
Fire
इनसे ये
back.
ले ले, इनको एक्चुअली डिस्कम्फर्ट हो रहा
हाँ,
है
नहीं,
और ये आप लोगों पे निकाल रहे हैं. हो ये रहा है असल में.
वो थेरेपी में होता है ना जो पास करते हैं. ये है जलील एलिफेंट.
जलील elephant.
whoever holds this gets to
एलिफेंट तो है ही
जलील.
नहीं. बाय द वे,
पहला शो फ्री में किया था. आप भी गाली निकाल दो.
बस क्या ही कहूँ मैं इसको. चलो यार
इसको यहाँ
रख देते हैं
रख
बस.
देते हैं.
जिसको भी नीड हो वो
अच्छा लेडीज एलिफेंट है ये.
एलिफेंट है ही नहीं. हिप्पोपोटामस से पहली स्कूल में कहाँ ट्रंक दिख रही है. एलिफेंट.
देखो कर दिया, जलील कर दिया, पकड़ते ही.
मिस जेंडर मिस स्पीशीज भी कर दिया.
हाँ, आपने तो बस.
मिस जेंडर तो नहीं किया, लेडीज ही हैं.
हाँ,
लेडीज हिप्पो.
लेडीज है.
गेंडी है.
या एंड देन हमने एक और किया था प्रोजेक्ट टुगेदर इन 2017.
17.
ब्रॉडवे ब्रिजेस,
Bridges.
जिसमें सिर्फ गाना था. और आई डोंट नो हाउ आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन दैट. एक्चुअली वाज डांस, सिंगिंग
Dancing, acting.
एक्टिंग तो बहुत कम ही थी
डांसिंग एंड
उसमें.
एक्टिंग.
डांसिंग, एक्टिंग, सिंगिंग. सो दे वर लाइक यार तीन में से आप जो भी 2 कर सकते हैं. दे वुड सिलेक्ट यू एंड दे वर लाइक दीस ब्रॉडवे डायरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क जो आए थे यहाँ पे. इट वाज वेरी कूल प्रोजेक्ट एक्चुअली. देन वी परफॉर्म्ड इन इस्लामाबाद, लाहौर, कराची एंड देन इट वाज
We had a
फन.
crazy good time together.
It was fun. So
we had a crazy.
Yeah.
The lot of us. I think there was 7 of us. We were together for like 3 weeks. We were inseparable, and we were being
Were
put
there
up.
fights?
No,
No,
not
Did
at all.
anyone fart while they're sleeping? And
We all did.
I'm sure.
We all farted.
Definitely.
I am sure there was lots of
हाँ,
farting
ये
and
कैसा
lots of.
सवाल है. 3 हफ्ते कौन गैस अंदर रखेगा.
मतलब साथ जब साथ है अकेलेपन में नहीं.
अच्छा. That's a strange question to have about this situation.
who farted the most?
So much else to explore. Who farted the most?
किस जो नौयत का
We
प्ले
didn't
था.
keep count.
नहीं, ये नहीं, हाँ,
कहाँ पे हुआ था. पादा किसने भाई ये बता दो मुझे.
मुद्दे पे आओ यार.
Yeah.
बहुत आला, बहुत
But
आला.
that was fun. And even for Greece, we spent like 2-3 months just rehearsing every day, 5-6
That
hours.
was. We became like.
उसमें तो हाँ,
Didn't
we
I
all
used to pick
became-
you up every day?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sometimes.
मैंने pick drop
सुबह
है.
सुबह because हाँ.
मैं pick drop थी.
Yeah,
Greece
बेचारी
में.
बहुत करती थी because
मैं
she
literally
used to-
6 actors को उठा के रिहर्सल्स पे लेके जाती
हाँ.
थी.
ये ना इसमें ना बड़ी वो
उस्मान
वाली
भाई
टेंडेंसी थी, मामा बेयर वाली. Yeah, Natasha was very like a mama bear type, taking care of everybody, you know, like it was very nice. Like you kept everybody together and sorted. किसी का भी मसला है, you can come talk to me. So she
I
was
was
that
also
person.
vocal coach, and so I felt that like I was teaching them how to sing, and I wanted to keep their health and emotional health
इन्फेक्शन नहीं करवाना
intact.
था थ्रोट पे.
या शो के दिन पीछे एक पूरा वो आता था जिंजर टी का. सब
और आप
कंटेनर
सख्ती
आता
करती
था।
थी बच्चों पे कि
सख्ती नहीं करती थी।
स्मोकिंग नहीं पीनी, ड्रग्स वगैरह,
नहीं
इस गले का गलत इस्तेमाल नहीं
नहीं
है।
मतलब
अच्छा,
उस
theatre-
शो में तो मतलब मुझे अपने जूनियर्स को ये सख्ती नहीं करनी पड़ी होती होगी, you know, like let's move on from this actually. Let's move on from this. No.
ओके, नो सकती।
No, none of my business.
No, but
None of my
होता है ना
business.
जैसे vocal coach तो बोलेगा कि यार you gotta take care of your throat. You can't be just like smoking
इतना
all the
तो
time.
होता था।
and-
इतना तो होता था, but like honestly, who's gonna listen? Who's gonna listen? Like instead of losing my calm on people that are just
You
gonna
could just join them in the drums.
बना के दे रही है।
sure.
But no, she was
Sure.
not that type.
Sure.
But she was not
Yeah,
the
I joined
strict
them.
ladaka type.
Yeah,
She was
yeah.
very
People are having naswar for some reason.
इंटेंस हुए
Grease lightning हो रही है.
हाँ या
Grease
ऐसे वाले
lightning
लोग
नहीं
नहीं
आ
थे।
हुक्का नहीं होता जो चौकीदार जो हुक्का पीते वो लेके आए।
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता था।
हाँ, ऐसे लोग नहीं
ये
थे,
हुआ था
ऐसे-
एक दफा इस तरह की चीज हो रही थी कि I was in a dance. I was in like myself and one of the dancers, and then one of the lead actors and one of the other dancers were like in the lead of this dance at one point. And my co-dancer was a very tall boy, and there was a move in which
He had to pick you.
he had to pick me up and then like flip me
Oh.
and like I
Throw
would
up
then
in the air.
land and all of that. तो
wow.
वो एक दफा जाके मैट स्कूल की छत पे लग गया नताशा का सर और वो बस नीचे आई है और फिर like I just my reaction was to laugh.
But there was no injury. Serious
There
injury.
wasn't any serious injury
that
other
you
than
know.
to my dignity. Yeah, and my just sense of self.
But
Both, I mean,
Yeah.
you're an actor.
That's why I quit. That's why I stopped a long time ago.
क्वेश्चन अबाउट द वोकल कोच थिंग, ये हमारे अक्सर मतलब आर्ट्स को लेके एक सवाल होता है कि सिखाई नहीं जा सकती हैं चीज़ें, ये नेचुरल होती हैं, कॉमेडी नहीं सिखाई जा सकती, गाना नहीं सिखाया जाता। आई पर्सनली डिसएग्री विद दैट। व्हाट इज़ योर टेक कि कोई बेसुरा है उसको उसकी आवाज़ अच्छी की जा सकती है?
If a Besura really wants to improve their voice and they're willing to put in the work, yes. I'm not sure that they'll become the world's best singer, but will they be eventually able to hold a tune if they put in the practice? It's got nothing to do with me coaching them. I can only see them once a week, tell them what to work on, tell them, just help them. A lot of the times, even when I'm singing to myself, I don't know what I'm getting wrong. So having someone that has information or teaching and can see my posture, for instance, we're not very aware of our postures most of the time, right? So that's really helpful. But जो काम होता है एक सिंगर का और बैठ के एक क्राफ्ट को सीखने का, वो इंसान का अपना होता है। तो as long as somebody is willing to do it, I personally think everybody can sing. But you've got to really want to do it and without pressure. So like also people want to become singers overnight. And I think people want any craft or skill overnight. And I think the most important learning lesson for me has been, you've gotten into this business, अपने आप को 10 से 15 साल दो to actually know that you've learned something. And it will take that long. It will take that long for your voice to build. It will take that long for your resilience to build, for your mind to be stronger, for your heart to be softer. You know, so it takes a really long time to do any of this. So even if you are born with talent and want to become a star, like उसके बीच में एक gap है, उसके लिए तैयार हो। I think लोग stage के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं, fame के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं, celebrity dom के लिए, influencer marketing के लिए, सब कुछ के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं, but they're not ready for how slow this actually cooks. This really takes a really long time. And I think the three of you would totally agree. Your careers they speak for themselves. You've been at it for such a long time. And I don't know if any of you thought you could sit here when you started 20 years ago. It's been 20 years for you guys to do, each of you to do what you're doing, right? 15, 20?
Not मेरे तो 20 नहीं।
12, 15 for me.
मैं तो
10
15 years का
हाँ,
हूँ,
10
मैं क्या ही बोलूँ।
Even that. क्या?
नहीं,
No, but
stupid
I
joke.
always thought I'd be here, but Akbar I never thought.
Would-
Akbar I thought के
ये पकड़
इसको ये
के बोलो
पकड़ा
ना।
दो यार। इसको ये पकड़ा दो।
Akbar I thought के नहीं. I thought he will be best an usher at a show. Audience को बैठाना.
सही बात है।
सही है, अब क्या ही बोले। मैं जब फीलिंग इज म्यूचुअल इनकी वो सिंधी पर्ची नहीं होती तो ये भी नहीं पहुंच पाते कहीं, लेकिन
सफारिश से व्यूज मिलते हैं ना मुझे अगले तो सुन काट
ये बड़ी लेवल वाली लेवल की इंसल्ट थी. I have nothing to insult you with.
Same, we're just too nice. We both only have love for each other.
If only you weren't so great at what you did.
Yeah,
Uncle.
only you were so talented.
If
you know?
only you weren't so like comfortable with who you are. Whatever you
ये हमारी बेइज्जती
qualify.
है. Yeah, oh my
Oh
god.
my god, you're so cute. I hate it.
इनको दे दो यार ये टेडी बेयर प्लीज.
नहीं ये तो तारीफ हो रही है
हाँ, yeah, but
No, in girl talk, this is insulting, okay? Yeah.
you're so cute. I hate it. You know,
Same.
he's so talented. Get
Same.
lost.
जबान ही कुछ और है बहुत सी है.
Same.
बट हाँ ये
But
तो है,
ये
it has been
वक्त
a
लगता है, हर
slow
चीज़-
burn
हर
definitely.
चीज़ में वक्त लगता
And
है.
I
बहुत
completely-
अच्छी बात कही है.
completely agree on that overnight वाली thing, especially I think जब हमने शुरू किया था सोशल मीडिया इतना कोई रेलेवेंट था नहीं, तो मशहूर होना शायद इतना मतलब आई एम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं होता होगा, इतना ज़्यादा उसको वैल्यू नहीं दी जाती थी कि यार नंबर्स इतने होने चाहिए ये वो, और अब जो है इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इंटायरली अबाउट दैट हु कैन गेट दैट देयर द फास्टेस्ट.
अच्छा बहुत बातें हो गई करियर और इसकी. वैलेंटाइंस डे आ रहा है सो
मैं शो बजा
वैलेंटाइंस
रही हूँ. That's
तो
my plan.
तो आप नहीं बताएं कोई. मेरी बर्थडे वैलेंटाइंस डे पे भी होती है.
Oh.
सो मुझे याद है कि मैं जब टीनेजर था तो मुझे प्यार हो गया था एक दोशीज़ा से, और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि मैं आई एम इनटू ओल्डर गाइज. सो
इसको
मैंने
अब कॉल करे. I'm older,
मैं बड़ा हो गया
मैं बड़ा हो गया.
नहीं अब शी इज़ नॉट प्रिटी.
Oh.
स्नैप यू नो हू यू आर.
अरे नजर रखी हुई आपने आज तक 20 years later.
Good point. अब आपको कैसे पता?
I was just being mean and petty. I have no connection
नहीं.
with this woman.
रोजाना सुबह उठ के फेसबुक पे देखते हैं
देखते हैं क्या अभी स्टिल अगली हो.
हेल्दी हो गई है.
फेक आईडी से ना इंजीनियर हो सर.
Yeah, like even a bad fake ID, like Peer Ali Gul.
गुलपीर अली जस्ट आगे पीछे स्पीकर.
और डीपी इसकी है.
गुलफिशा पीर. जेंडर
गुलजैब होती थी ना.
आलिया भी हो सकता है. आलिया.
आलिया
आलिया. और लेकिन आलिया बट लाइक बट
आलिया बट
But-
अली.
आलिया बट गुलजैब.
Gossip.
अच्छा, okay. Such intellectual conversations. Wow.
Do you understand why I quit comedy now, guys?
No, you're
Does that
doing
make
great.
sense?
You
No. So फिर then
Valentine's Day. You fell in love with a girl. She broke your heart.
Yeah. So any experience like that, and when you were a teenager, you
Yeah.
profess your love, or someone professed their love to you.
I don't know. I was much younger. I was in like 3rd grade और मुझे प्यार हो गया था.
Oh.
like
Because
intense love.
Because
Love.
my crayon fell on the floor and this boy picked it up and handed it back to me and I was just like, oh.
What a gentleman.
प्यार हो गया था. फिर मेरे भाई ना घर पे हम जब गेम्स खेल रहे थे तो भाई यूज्ड टू झूठ बोल रहे थे, अब समझ आइए, लेकिन मुझे कहते थे मुझे कराटे सिखा रहे हैं और मेरे साथ लाइक फाइटिंग खेलते थे.
पर पिट्टी आप ही थी, सिर्फ कुछ सीख नहीं रही होती.
मुझे ये नहीं याद, मुझे ये याद है लेकिन
क्योंकि बस
मुझे
पिट्टी
ये
थी
याद
मैं.
है कि my way of showing affection then in school was beating the boys up.
I am giving you love.
I'm giving you love. This is my love.
So then you went and beat the crayon guy who picked up the
did.
crayon.
अच्छा
I
बाय द वे
did.
क्रेयॉन नहीं कैरी ऑन होता है.
Carry on. हाँ,
carry
मेरा
on.
carry on गिर गया था. आज इस जमाने में मेरा carry on ही गिरेगा ना ट्रैवल
अब
करते
तो
हुए.
हाँ
Crayon से carry on तक का सफर.
ऊपर रखते हुए और फिर उसको अब तो नहीं
Can I
पीटती ना.
help you? Can I help you? में मुझे love हो जाएगा. नाउज़ुबिल्लाह कितना easy है. No.
So your love language is acts of service,
acts of
clearly.
service,
Yeah.
yes.
And beating up.
Yeah, acts of service and unnecessary violence.
Violence.
चलो everybody has their own way.
50 शेड वाले जुमरे में है ये.
Yeah, everybody has. अब क्या
I'm
बोल सकते
very different now. I don't
अच्छा.
beat them up anymore.
अब नहीं करती हैं
नहीं.
आप. ओके चलो.
आप light slapping. Max. At max.
That's such a like a kink way of saying it.
Life.
मेरा आजकल ये I'm looking for the shy boys, like the actual fact shy boys, not the ones that pretend to be shy, not the ones that like
और वो तो घर से निकल रही नहीं है.
यही प्रॉब्लम है ना.
So you have to
आजकल
go
मैं-
find where they live and
हाँ, तो मतलब और वैसे भी बाय द वे लोग क्लेम करेंगे कि वो शाय बॉयज हैं, लेकिन द वे दे अप्रोच यू इज नॉट शाय एट ऑल. सो नाउ आई नो दैट it's truly a shy boy.
What's
if-
a shy? Sorry, can you?
Well, first off, there has to be a distance of at least 3 years before they say hi to you.
Okay.
So you know them since
हाँ,
3 years.
मतलब कम से कम 3 साल से
लगे।
हाँ, आप जानते हो उससे आपकी सलाम दुआ हुई हो और वो कुछ न कहे आपको, लेकिन 3 साल बाद कहे हाय, ये है शाय बॉय.
बेसिकली 2022 में जो नताशा से मिला था, आज उसका टाइम आ गया है.
हाँ.
2025 में कि वो.
But yeah.
And you'll wait for 3 years.
Call
लेकिन.
me. I mean, I'm just saying, anyone that's contacted me before this timeline has just been a jerk.
Yeah.
Right? So, I'm
शाय
wait.
बॉय ठीक है. और क्या है वो?
Quality.
रेस्टोरेंट में खाना नहीं खा रहा क्योंकि वो शाय है. वो वाला शाय है.
नहीं. लेकिन shy enough not to, look, a lot of boys, I don't know if you do this as boys, but my experience is, and maybe Amtul you can agree or disagree, but ज़्यादा flattery कर देते हो आप.
Too much
Honest
extra.
to God.
Yeah.
It is like I don't believe you anymore.
You are looking too beautiful. इस तरह की बात है.
मतलब अच्छा मैं कह
best
दिया ना,
girl.
एक दफा कह दिया, ओके.
Better than my mom.
हाँ.
अब मैं
ये
तुमसे
मैं
पूछ
चलाता
रही
हूँ.
हूँ कि तुमने नाश्ते में क्या खाया था, उसका भी जवाब तुम अगर ये दे रहे हो कि तुम बहुत हॉट हो, तो हमारी तो बात ही नहीं हो सकती ना कोई.
अच्छा इस बात को
That's a
लाया
bit too
कैसे जा
much.
रहा
I
है?
think ये horny है. These boys are teenage.
मेरा
short
कहने का ये
sighted, they only have-
opposite of is shy. Do you get it?
Oh, so you need non-horny boys. Please.
अच्छा, मुझे आ गई,
someone
मुझे आ
that
गई ये
wants to,
conversation
like,
आ
really
गई.
have a life
हाँ.
and really wants to sit in silence with me and really wants to like is okay with going and buying eggs if the house needs eggs.
Is
you
this
know?
a
ऐसे कोई कह रहा है.
motif of something?
तो
Is
मतलब
it
मुलाजिम
symbolism?
type कोई.
It's a
कि-
symbolism for like someone that has appreciation
Fertility.
for no appreciation for the daily,
Okay, yeah.
like that's
जैसे आपको
actually
इस
your
तरह की
life
बातें
with
नहीं
somebody.
चाहिए. आपको जैसे आपने जवाब दिया कि मैं स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग खा रही हूँ और रिप्लाई आ रहा है आई वुड लाइक टू स्क्रैम्बल योर एग्स. ये नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah,
ये
you're
नहीं
like-
चाहिए.
हाँ.
Like हर बात को dirty ना बनाओ यार.
हाँ.
Have a real conversation for once.
थोड़ा बैक फुट पे हो लड़का.
बैड फूड पे हो,
बैक फुट पे.
बैक फुट नहीं, बैक फुट पे भी ना हो, बस वो हो
Don't come off too strong.
लो की.
low key,
Low key, chill
and then,
हो, chill.
and then come on strong for the important stuff.
और अगर वो ज्यादा बात ऐसे करे.
नहीं, I don't think that's what she means about like when she says shy.
मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ अभी भी.
मुझे खुद भी नहीं समझ आई अकबर.
सिम चाहिए आपको. सिम चाहिए आपको.
मतलब देखो, जनरलाइज नहीं करना चाहिए, ना लेबल करना चाहिए. मैं बस आजकल सिंगल हूँ और बिकॉज मेरे पास टाइम है बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने को, तो मैंने आजकल अपने दिमाग में शाय बॉय बनाया हुआ है.
Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है, अब
But she means कि non-horny.
नो फक बॉय नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ,
इंसान
non-fuck
हो,
boy.
इंसान का बच्चा हो, अपने उसने अर्जेस कंट्रोल करके सीख लिए हो, उसको
हाँ,
किसी
horny
चीज
ना हो,
की
desperate ना हो.
फिक्र हो जिंदगी में, कोई उसका शौक हो, कोई हॉबी हो, कोई जॉब हो जिसमें वो लगा रहे 7-8 घंटे दिन के खुद ही, और
अपनी life हो, अपनी जिंदगी
life
हो.
और फिर मुझे आके बताया कि आज ये हुआ, फिर मैं कहूँ अच्छा आज मेरे साथ भी हुआ, चलो नाश्ता नहीं, इस वक्त नाश्ता नहीं होगा.
रात नाइट की शिफ्ट कर रहे हो. कॉल सेंटर में काम करता है.
चलो खाना खाते हैं.
चलो यार, अमेरिका में रात हो गई, नाश्ता करते
और फिर उसको ये समझो कि हर इंसान के दिन लाइक फर्क गुजरते हैं, राइट. तो मुझसे भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस मैनेज रखे बॉय. लाइक मैं ना हर वक्त प्यारी लग सकती हूँ, मैं ना हर वक्त अच्छे मूड में होंगी, मैं ना हर वक्त आपको एंटरटेन करती रहूँगी. मैं भी एक बस बॉडी हूँ जिसके अंदर सेल्स हैं, जिसने बस रोज़ उठ के नाश्ता करना है, खाना खाना है, काम करना है, लोगों से मिलना है, फिर वापस जाके सो जाना है. तो ये है. मैंने समझ
यार ये तो अनरीजनेबल नहीं है वाकई.
नहीं
तो
नहीं,
क्या
यही है मेरा गाना है ना,
आजकल
हीरे
स्टैंडर्ड
मोती.
इतना लो चल रहा है कि
हाँ.
इतने हल्के लड़के
मेरा
मार्केट
गाना
में.
है हीरे मोती, उसका है. सो आई ट्राइड दैट एवरी टाइम आई से गुड बाय यू वुड नोटिस आई वाज देयर इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. गॉड नोज ऑल दोस थिंग्स दैट मेड मी क्राई. Did you notice that I was there in the first place? And the chorus for this song is Na mangu main heere moti jana. So I guess
वाह,
the theme of my life has been, thank
क्या
you.
बात है, क्या बात है. अच्छा ये फ्लेक्स भी है थोड़ा नताशा.
थोड़ा सा।
मतलब आपने टिप्स पे आपके ना
सो रहे हैं।
सो रहे हैं,
देखो,
वाकई।
comedian ये नहीं कर
नहीं नहीं
सकते।
हमारे पास जोक भी नहीं है टिप्स पे, आप मुझे
हाँ,
कहोगे
वही तो नहीं है ना, यही तो मसला है।
हमारे टिप्स पे निपल है।
What I was trying to say is that I'm not asking for that much, and actually, women don't really ask for that much. It's just by the time we get the men that we get, we have to ask for a lot because it's ridiculous what's out there.
Basically, the pool has also become really
You're pointing at
shitty and
Naveed for
tangled.
some reason.
I'm pointing at camera.
अच्छा।
Naveed bhai, all
pool.
respect to you. He seems like a shy boy. Yes,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
Actually,
उसको
Naveed is
शर्म
a
आ
shy
भी गई है।
boy. He's lost. He'll
3 साल लगाते हैं भाई।
रात तक ब्लशिंग चलेगी।
आपको
और ये मुझे-
इंशाल्लाह 2028 में मैसेज आ रहा है।
रिमाइंडर सेट कर।
ठीक है।
अच्छा तो ये है बॉस कि बहुत
है।
कचरा है।
हाँ, ये
बहुत
तो
कचरा
है।
लौटा।
यार मुझे बस इंसान का
बट
बच्चा मिल जाए जिसकी
पे लोग फिर लव में बिलीव नहीं करें क्या नताशा?
करें
नहीं,
जरूर
love
करें।
तो just because she
ये
has
तो बहुत-
standards doesn't mean कि she
No,
doesn't believe in
but,
love.
मार्केट की बहुत ग्रिम पिक्चर आप
ये तो सच्चाई है।
सच्चाई तो है।
तो
Market
लव
गिरी
भी
है।
सच्चाई है, मार्केट ग्रिम भी सच्चाई है, नफरत भी सच्चाई तो सब कुछ है।
हाँ।
Everything's true.
Just because this is true doesn't mean other things are not true, no?
Yeah, I mean, I want everybody to enjoy their Valentine's Day. Please spend time with your loved ones, get them something special.
आप क्या कर रही हैं Valentine's Day
Show.
पे?
Married to the career, your love.
Yeah, Janu, this is the ring that.
My career gave
This is my marriage to myself. For now, until good boy find, I marry myself.
इस पे
because I
स्टोन
take-
जो है वो C शार्प है।
So stupid, so good. I enjoyed that. Sorry.
Abdul, you tell us what about your Valentine's?
Oh, अच्छा हाँ. What do you want to
What
know?
will you
The
do?
one happy,
What?
committed person on this couch, I'm assuming, are you?
No, I am also married.
Married. Okay,
हम
married.
सब खुश हैं लेकिन हम
वो लगता नहीं है शक्लों से, but
मिल गया
कंटेंट निकलवा रहे हैं।
you know मैंने बेइज्जती की ना आपके, मेरे हाथ में नहीं आना
अच्छा, I
चाहिए।
thought you saying this is the wife.
What? No, I was
बुरे
saying
time
जो
में
भी
हो भी।
बेइज्जती कर रहा था वो पकड़ रहा था ना स्टफ टॉय को, बट क्या कर, इसको आपने फाड़ फूड़ दिया है पीछे से, इतनी जोर से पकड़ा है बेचारा वो। एनीवे, बट डिड यू
What's your plan?
question-
I'll tell you what my
Valentine's Day
plan
plan,
is. So basically, last year I planned really cute 2-3 activities. So this year I was like, Fahad, you will plan our day. You know.
So you're doing nothing basically.
Why not? What do you mean?
boy
तो
give
yeah, he was like, I
responsibility.
want to cook for you. मैंने कहा नहीं, you all, अच्छा वो बेचारा वो करता है मेरे लिए काफी कुछ, so I was like, you always cook for me. It's okay, let's do something different. So अभी I'm waiting for him to come up with something. I have
Basically,
my
you're
own
like,
plans.
oh,
What?
कुकिंग तुम्हारी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है तो
नहीं नहीं, बेचारी की बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत मजा आता है, like, but I want to do something different ना. हाँ, like any activity, nothing too grand or anything. We don't even need to go out or something, but like something different that maybe we haven't done before. You know, like he was thinking maybe we can go for like a clay class or something, like a pottery workshop or something. You know, तो I was like, yeah, that'll be nice. और मैंने एक
अरे
Instagram पे
कितना
देखा
अच्छा होगा ना, यूं करे और दिल बन जाए।
हाँ हाँ, why not? Like I wanna experience something new with him. तो एक और मैं Instagram पे देख रही थी, there's a flower bouquet making class. So I was considering that maybe we can go to that. Or he was looking at a pottery workshop. So I was like, ठीक है, वो भी कर सकते हैं. Like this time I wanted to try a new experience with him. So that's what's going on in my
पेट्रोल का
head.
नशा कर ले, न्यू एक्सपीरियंस
हाँ,
है ये।
किसका?
पेट्रोल
वो
का।
तो किया है ना बहुत। वो पुराना हो गया यार, कुछ नया बताओ। वो तो
अच्छा,
किया
मुझे
हुआ
नहीं
है।
लगा था आपने पेट्रोल का नशा किया होगा। क्लियरली आई डू नॉट नो यू वेरी वेल।
Yeah.
ठीक
And
है।
what about you?
हाँ, आप लोग
मैं तो
बताएं।
बिलीव ही नहीं करता ना इसमें।
एक तो
क्या
ये one
मतलब?
of those. हाँ, वो believe. Yeah. I just feel like it's an excuse to do something nice. You know, even I'm not like.
But why do something nice?
Why not? Because वरना फिर आप पूरे साल में पूरे महीना गुजर जाता है, आप नहीं कर पाते, right? I feel like you get so busy in your own lives and your careers कि आज ये है, कल ये, परसों ये, कभी कभी आप टाइम नहीं निकाल पाते. तो मैं इसको इस तरह देखती हूँ कि अगर आपको एक रीज़न या एक एक्सक्यूज मिल रही है to do something, why not? You know, I just look at it that way.
नहीं ये मुनाफिकत है।
नहीं तो what does your wife think about this opinion of
Of course she hates it, लेकिन this is how it
who
is.
she's
Because
like?
actually even
Pheromone
Fahad
It would
like
be so cute if this Valentine's Day you actually just did something.
अरे नहीं
Yeah,
मैं
she would
करता
be
हूँ
so
भाई, मैं ऐसे
surprised.
मजाक
It'd be like-
हाँ,
नहीं नहीं मजाक नहीं करे आप सच सच
मैं करता हूँ भाई.
What's the cutest thing you've done? Tell her she can go to her home for the weekend.
हाँ,
है ना?
mother के पास चली
Permission.
जाओ.
She gets
Get permission
freedom
from you.
from him. No? No, she gets freedom from
she gets हाँ permission to work.
नहीं, it's usually just like a dinner something, कुछ gift जो
What's the cutest gift you gave her? Don't say myself.
अच्छा, I wasn't going to, but now I want to.
Me and
No,
myself.
you told me about the has
मुझे
she gotten it yet?
याद भी तो नहीं रहता. हाँ वो तो हो गया था. पता नहीं, I don't remember. I think Birkenstocks first ever.
The bag or the shoes?
The shoes.
Ah, cute. Yeah.
First ever time. वो बहुत out of the वो था कि
that's
no
nice.
expectation. Yeah. I just have bad memory, but हाँ जाहिर है डंडा है भाई, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि
कि
उसको
कुछ ना करें, हो ही नहीं सकता exactly because Fahad is also like it's a commercialized holiday, I don't believe it, and I'm like no, we will do something. I don't expect red roses and wearing red and going for a fancy dinner and spending so much money, no, but just a small activity together is also enough, you know. Just
I took her
spending
to
time.
Dubai for the weekend. We stayed in a nice hotel, went to a nice on the beach Valentine's dinner.
And it's your birthday.
And it's my
That's
birthday.
so
हाँ तो
cool,
तुम्हारा तो
yo.
2 in 1 हो जाते हैं ना,
That's
ये सीन
really
है.
nice.
हाँ nice.
That's very nice.
अच्छा, तो अगर आपसे ब्रेकअप करना हो वैलेंटाइन डे पे करें अगर कोई ब्रेकअप, बहुत चैलेंज आ रहा है अली सर.
बहुत मुश्किल. मैं बहुत कुछ कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए, मेरी बर्थडे भी है और फिर आप ब्रेकअप कर रहे
और फिर कह रहे हैं कि तुम आज पैदा भी नहीं हुए, मतलब कुछ ऐसी बात ना.
डिनाई कर लिया मेरा एग्जिस्टेंस.
हाँ बिल्कुल ही परेशान कर दिया, बेफॉर्म दिखा दिया. ये देखो 17 जनवरी लिखा हुआ.
वैसे नताशा, चलो आई नो राइट नाउ यू सिंगल, बट लाइक whenever you dated, whoever you dated, anything, the best Valentine's Day you had, or like the cutest thing somebody did for you, or you did for them.
हाँ
back in
क्यूटेस्ट
the day.
वगैरह पे ना जाए ना, वर्स्ट बताएं.
हाँ,
सबसे
worst
घटिया
बताओ ना, funny करते
गुस्सा
हैं,
आ
हाँ.
गया,
Yeah, the worst Valentine's Day, or like
चूतिया
the
कोई मुंह लग गया, इस तरह की
हाँ
बात.
हाँ ये fun stories होंगी.
क्यों जाए हम? नहीं जाते वहाँ.
Not very deep, like just stupid stuff.
Okay, so silly things is someone took me on a date, but I didn't know it was a date. And then I started having an asthma attack. Oh no. And then they're taking me home, but there's traffic. And now imagine I'm having an asthma attack. This boy has taken me out to ask me out for the first time, but I'm having an asthma attack and I don't have my inhaler on me. And in the middle of traffic, he decides to confess everything. And now I can't breathe. I can't say anything. I can't say yes. I can't say no.
Yeah.
I can't do anything.
इशारों में
So-
बताए थे ना, ठीक है
मैं
यार.
तो मैं कहीं से अस्पताल ले जाओ. Just was not.
अच्छा, इसके बाद मैं अगर हूँ ना, मैसेज कर रहा हूँ, आई टुक योर ब्रेथ अवे.
हाँ ये तो
No, I ate something that gave me allergies. So that's one thing, one story.
Did you meet this guy again? Never.
Yeah, but we were just friends then. Yeah, we were just friends after that.
वो
Friend
उसका
zone हो
यूं
गया
आ
वो.
गया था.
ये क्या है?
ये होता है ना, ये लव के लिए
अच्छा,
वो
हाँ.
लड़का and then he gets this.
Oh no.
I've never
zone.
seen this.
This is friend zone. You're being
Oh
friend zone.
really? I've never seen this sign before. You are
Oh,
I'm friends with you.
फ्रेंड जोन कर दिया नताशा ने.
Khair hai.
okay. चलो, I'm
I
sad.
think you'll
but-
survive.
हाँ,
You'll survive this one.
I'll survive. It's okay. ठीक है, तो ये सबसे आपकी
अच्छा,
I
इससे
was there.
रिकवर भी तो करना मुश्किल है ना.
आपने उसमें
इतनी-
गाना डिस सॉन्ग लिख लिया, ये भी हो सकता है ना. Somebody.
अच्छा हाँ,
आपने कभी
कितने
ब्रेकअप
गाने
सॉन्ग सुना है? कब सोचा है कि ब्रेकअप क्रेजी ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग बनाओ?
I've really wanted to.
And what stopped you?
Other songs got in the way. Like they just came at me
You
first.
just calm down. You're like, you forgive them. You're like, ah, fuck
Just
it.
stop getting angry.
But any
don't
of
know.
your songs based on any relationship or boys
Yeah.
or हाँ है कि नहीं है?
There's some really cute things in my album. But I will never tell this boy it's about them.
Yeah, just tell us this.
But don't you think they will be able to pick up the hint? Yeah, नहीं इतना
From listening
obvious
to
नहीं
the
है.
song, no?
No, it's not very specific मतलब डिटेल्स नहीं है
मतलब
वैसी।
अगर मैंने उसको जाके बताया नहीं कि ब्रो गाना सुना, हाँ कैसा लगा, बहुत अच्छा था, अच्छा तुम्हारे बारे में था, जब तक मैं ये नहीं करूँगी किसी
Nobody
तरह
will
नहीं,
know.
हाँ किसी तरह नहीं
अच्छा।
पता चल सकता.
Because it's more
Yeah.
about the
नहीं,
feelings
जबान ही
probably,
चेंज
not-
की हुई है ना
Yeah,
उन
like
बातों
wish,
की.
many of my girlfriends, ex-girlfriends had were singers and they could make a song about. मेरी
हाँ.
इतनी untalented ex-girlfriends are चुकी हैं.
I didn't even get
Yeah.
a breakup song out of this.
I'll
I didn't
make
need a
a-
diss track. So I actually have
I'll make a bad candle. About
so
this person.
one of
Like
the
that.
things.
आप आर्टिस्ट को डेट नहीं कर रहे ना, आप यही सरजानी की बच्चियां ये सब.
मैं इसका मावा खाऊंगी इसके नाम का. ऐसा.
मैं एक्चुअली काफ़ी फैसिनेट होती हूँ डिस्ट्रैक्ट से, और मैं शायद आप लोगों से ये सवाल पूछ सकूँ, बिकॉज इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कॉमेडी इट्स फार मोर ओपन टू डू दीज डिस्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, एंड देन रैप इज बेसिकली I just don't feel like putting my like relationships on
Out
display
there.
like that. Doesn't it come back and bite you like in the ass if like someone puts out a diss track and then there's this whole fight and now you have to talk to people and you have to like give your side of the story and then someone else is saying something else and there's just
It's too much pressure.
isn't it too much pressure?
It is, it
feels
is.
like it would be too much
I
pressure.
mean,
like,
I've
why
only
would you
done
do
one
that?
diss track, and it was half jokingly, and it was in defiance to a court case that I was facing, and to be honest, it probably much easier to do a diss track about societal problems
Yeah.
and someone else
In
than
which
your own personal.
Yeah, but I've done that.
Yeah.
So Give It Up to the News is my like social statement song. There's a couple in the album that are like
Nice,
that.
nice.
Yeah. So I've done that. I have done diss tracks to society, but I would never do like a personal diss track.
Personal,
or-
like Pupo. Whipped हमने एक शो के लिए.
ऑल्सो मेहनत भी तो बहुत है ना, आपने निकाल दिया, अब उसने रिप्लाई दे दिया, अब फिर एक और बनाओ.
और वो घर की बातें बता रहे हैं. तुम जब छोटे थे तुम गिर गई, तुम्हारी नोनो कट गई थी.
दोनों कट गई थी.
हाँ, तुम्हारे अम्मा अब्बा ऐसे, तुम्हारे घर वाले ऐसे.
तूने ये
वो.
बात बता दी यार सबको, मतलब ये तो हाँ.
Yeah, you have to be ready.
ट्रबल मंगवाने वाला काम है ना ये.
Definitely.
Also, I wouldn't ever want a boy to take that pride के ओहो
मेरे पे
मेरा
सॉन्ग बना.
पक्का.
हाँ, फ्लेक्स हो गया ये थोड़ा.
जैसे वो अडेल का एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड था ना, उसने कोई फ्लेक्स मारा था कि अगर ये मेरी रिलेशनशिप नहीं होती तो उसका एल्बम ही नहीं होता.
Oh
ये
wow.
इस तरह की चीजें.
Wow.
मैंने
Please,
दिल तोड़ा
बड़ा.
तो ये कामयाब हुई, तो
क्या
ऐसी बात है.
मतलब?
They're
अरे
already
टेलर
love
स्विफ्ट
it.
के भी बहुत गाने
Taylor
शायद
Swift,
ऐसे
Taylor
होते हैं.
Swift, definitely.
दिल जले.
हाँ. उसके तो
जन
बहुत
जन पर
ऑब्वियस
बिकता है.
होते हैं कि
हाँ.
ये बॉयफ्रेंड का गाना है, ये बॉयफ्रेंड का, ये
Yeah,
इसका है.
लेकिन with Taylor Swift's music, you have to be a super fan and you have to like dig through the lyrics and really try to like. She'll never name the people in the songs. You'll have to figure out if she's talking about autumn, then what autumn was she dating, what
Yeah.
boy type, you
Or a
know.
castle.
It's
or-
always like that. So it's still not inviting
अच्छा,
that much,
direct
even though
नहीं है.
people still give her a
But-
lot of smack.
But people still break it down
Yeah,
and
they
get
break
through
it down
to
and
that.
everything.
हाँ.
वो थोड़ा कोड वर्ड में, डायरेक्ट नहीं है कि सुभान बड़वा था.
मतलब डायरेक्ट तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा, you know,
Direct
like.
ज़्यादा. But like people like Eminem do that. Like Eminem and Mariah Carey had a diss war or something like that. That definitely.
अभी जो
हाँ,
ये
अभी भी
केंड्रिक
तो
लमार और ड्रेक.
Kendrick,
Yeah.
that was तो. Yeah.
और मैं
too-
सोचती
too
हूँ कि
good.
आपस में बैठ के ना बड़ा खेल कूद करते होंगे. इन्होंने सिर्फ फैंस के लिए बनाए हुए हैं ये
हो सकता है,
सारे
बिल्कुल.
फ्यूड्स.
अच्छा.
ये
Politicians
ड्रेक और
तो
इसका
यही
तो
करते
बिल्कुल
हैं.
नहीं लग रहा था यार, वैसे केंड्रिक और ड्रेक का.
You never know the kind of things you find out about all of these people.
It's all business. It's
I
all
believe
business.
everything.
You're
I
right.
don't believe anything. Everything is true. Everything is a lie.
हाँ.
You are
कुछ भी
just
हो सकता
constantly
है.
living in a paradox, basically.
हाँ, you're right. Like even Fahad and I were discussing one day कि यार even जो ये marriages होती हैं, celebrity marriages, some of them are probably like contractual and like to promote business and to get more work, you know. कि okay, let's get married for 2 years, you know, आपकी भी promotion मेरी भी, and then 2 साल बाद breakup कर लेंगे, divorce कर लेंगे or whatever. So that probably happens. Like, yeah. For them
Everybody's
probably.
already like they've got their businesses sorted.
And I give them a push, so.
कैरियर वही ना, दिहाड़ी है बॉस.
हाँ भाई,
Everything
हर
is
चीज हो रही है
नहीं, तो
आजकल.
अभी अकबर को कोई बोले कि यार तुम्हें है ना ये
Bold scene करना है.
सिडनी स्वीनी के साथ बोल्ड सीन करना है और
हाँ,
फिर
हाँ.
रिलेशनशिप करना पड़ेगा उसके साथ, तो ये
नहीं
तो
ना,
कर
पहले
लेगा।
पहले रिलेशनशिप होगा फिर बोल्ड सीन होगा, केमिस्ट्री नहीं बन पाएगी।
ताकि बोल्ड सीन फिर लोग देखे ना कि भाई
तो
वाह।
आप लिखा भी पढ़वा लीजिएगा।
हाँ, अगर एले किताब ही है मेरे ख्याल से, सिडनी स्वीनी।
हाँ, क्रिश्चियन अलाउड।
मिया खलीफा है शायद। Not her.
But you have an album coming up, Natasha, or this is a previous album
This is a
you're
previous
talking about?
album.
Okay.
This came out in 2023.
Anything? Yeah, people can go and check it out.
Yes, I just released a song with someone named Shayan Fatani. It's called Baki Kyun, and we are working on 2 new tracks together. One's called Halchal, and the other one is called Aisa Hi. We're both co-producing, and we're really enjoying that. The album was my debut album. It came out in 2023, so I've just been really lucky that people have wanted to remix different tracks, so you can keep looking forward to those. We just did a Soy Nahi Ka flip, which is pretty cute. It's really sweet. And I have just been writing like a crazy person all of 2024, so 2025 you'll see at least 5 of that. At least 5 of those, and then let's see. I'm not going to do an album for another year. I just want to like get into this motion of like finishing something and putting it out and finishing and finding a completely new balance. The album was really lovely and it was fantastic to do, but it was so much work, and it was 11 songs, and it was, you know, marketing 11 songs at the same time. Guys, I don't know what happened to my brain. I don't know, like, Feb 2024, I just turned internet off. I was like, I just can't function anymore. It's gone to somewhere. So it was a lot. It was a
Of course,
lot.
because constantly also I think 11 songs पे continuously work करना also, and like that urge कि I can't release anything
So how do you
till all
release?
of
Like
them are done.
every few weeks, do you release a song? or-
Album तो मैंने एक ही बारी में
एक
निकाली
है,
थी.
okay, ठीक है.
That is a lot of pressure.
It was a lot of pressure, and you know, I wish I'd done it the other way. I wish I'd done like at least 5 of the songs that, I mean, they became sort of the songs that took the album, because of which people heard the rest of it. I feel like I should have rolled them out as singles
All 11
in advance. No. At 5-6 of them
Okay.
in advance, and then the album with the rest of them. I felt like that would have just
given the push to the album maybe.
it would have given me something concrete for the amount of mehnat I put into it. Mehnat wohi thi, but the numbers really struggled, right? So a song like Miracle, which has hit potential, didn't get hit numbers, but that's just because it was one of 11 songs in an 11-track album, right? Like, and it got buried, but people were listening to it in one go, which was nice. But I feel like it had its own life, and it should have like enjoyed that life. I've also learned now, like, the rotation of a life of a song is at least 1 month to 2 months. It has to be out in the digital world before it is really known. You know, हमें लगता है हम पहले हम जिस दिन निकालेंगे उसी दिन सारे गाने सुन लेंगे और मेरे फैंस ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. और मतलब खुद से बातों को मैंने टाइम दिया. Like it took,
I
it
love
had,
that
thank
song.
you, but it had 6 months on its own with a video.
और उसकी तुमने तो वीडियो भी बनाई
Yeah,
थी ना, so
exactly.
that really helps,
Yeah.
right? But of
But
course
then
की
by the
अलग
time you're done
production and
making
budget.
one video,
हाँ.
you have no money
No
for
money
another
left.
video.
That's the thing, exactly.
Right, so but वो audio भी अगर मैं निकाल देती ना, and I would have just given Miracle 3 months of its own, दोबारा फिर से 3 months on its own. I think give it up to the news, 3 months of its own. Years go by, 3 months on their own. They would have really they would have gotten their time in the day. I eventually have also gotten to a point where I don't think I'm the point of the music. The music is the point of the music, right? So the song is king, and like, how am I serving it the best? And now I want to serve the song the best. Like उसमें प्यार डलता है, उसमें honesty डलती है, उसमें इतना कुछ डलता है, और आप बस उसको 2 हफ्तों के लिए चला के फिर move on
Yeah.
type of situation. It just
Feel like you're
doesn't
not doing
feel,
justice
you're
to
not
the
doing,
song.
I wasn't feeling like I was doing justice to each one of those tracks, but as a piece of work together, it worked really, alhamdulillah, really well. And honestly, the album did far better than I pushed for it to do well. And I have a massive shout out and thanks to anybody that's been listening to me from the start, because I legit have loyal, very, very, very loyal super fans, and they have not gone anywhere. And I meet people now that literally know every lyric of that album by heart. And they'll sit and quote it to me, and they'll ask me questions about why did you write Blue Oceans and what was that lyric about and who are you talking about there. And just having those interactions with people has been super special, because we work in our silos and we work in like our studio spaces. And I was also traveling a lot. I'm a visiting faculty at this conservatory in Kathmandu, तो मेरा आना जाना रहता था. तो a lot of the success of my music I didn't even actually experience in time. So it's now when I've come back and I'm meeting people and they know stuff and I'm like, wow, okay, y'all know it. Okay, we can like move on to the next step, because I thought I'd have to explain all this. But it's nice to have that kind of flexibility now in the market, and I'm really enjoying my stuff with Cheyenne. And I think my phase 2 from here is, I don't know, अगर आप लोगों को stupid happiness theory का पता है?
Not really.
मेरा ना एक और moniker है.
Oh yes, I've seen it on Insta maybe.
मेरा एक और moniker है, वो सारा electronic का है.
हाँ.
तो वो मैंने 7 साल लाइक बिल्कुल अकेले में डेवलप किया था, और उसको उससे मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे लगाती रहती थी क्योंकि मेरी पर्सनल क्यूरियोसिटी थी. फिर मैंने उसको पॉज पे डाल के आई जस्ट फॉलोड दिस लाइन ऑफ वर्क फॉर द लास्ट 3 years, एंड नाउ इंशाल्लाह 25-26 onwards, I am hoping that you will see both of those combined on stage. Essentially, is I will be doing the electronic stuff,
Nice.
but with all the stems are my original music from my album. So there's a way to bring it together where kind of everybody's getting what they want. And I'm really enjoying myself on stage, because that's what I really am. I'm just a nerd. I'm a geek. I need to be behind a computer. If I wasn't a music producer, I would be a gamer. And I quit gaming when I was 13 because I was like, मैं पढ़ जाऊंगी इसमें, मैं नहीं निकल सकूंगी. So then I took on this instead, and I'm really grateful I did, because I'm not sure like playing Call of Duty was going to get me any money. I mean, not,
Who knows?
Who
Maybe.
knows? Maybe. I mean, okay, there's still time. Retirement plan.
Yeah, definitely.
No, but I mean,
that
thank
is-
you for consecutively making music and being a creative and being someone who I've just met in throughout the years, and I've seen you perform, I've seen you keep making art, and that's the main thing. We have someone in our presence who's been continuously doing things and being productive in a country where it's difficult to do so. But yeah. But thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you for having me. This is like my favorite group. Some of my favorite people in Pakistan. Some of my
That's very
favorite people
sweet.
in the entertainment industry. They're all extremely prolific, and I'm a huge fan.
Thank you.
So
Thank
I'm
you.
super fanning.
Super fan. We're super fanning
मुझे आप लोगों
you.
के
Super
jokes पते
fanning.
हैं. मुझे आप लोगों के
बताएं.
distracts पते हैं.
बताए हमारा कोई एक joke. But thank you so much. It was so nice catching
Thank
up with
you.
you after
Thank
so
you.
long.
Guys, go check out Natasha's music, and when you get time, subscribe to our podcast also. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.